Hi everyone. Today we learn how we can convert the bulk Excel file to PDF. This is the template. You can choose your Excel folder. Inside this Excel folder we have a file. Let me show in your desktop. We have this folder. That is the blank folder, and that is Excel folder. We have some templates. I add some random template in there. Let me show you. See this type of the templates we have. Once we choose the folder, we can choose for Excel folder path. We select the folder, which folder we have files. We click OK. Then we need to choose any output folder. We create already the blank folder. I click OK. Now you see the path is automatically changed. Once click this convert Excel to PDF, they automatically convert all your Excel file into your PDF in the single click. Let me review the folder. Now you see they automatically create your all files one by one because we use the loop inside here. See the output. They automatically create your thousands of Excel template into PDF. Let me show you the codes. First we have a folder picker. In the folder picker we use dim fd as file dialogues, dim select folder as string. We create the two variables. Then I assign the variables fd applications dot file dialogues mso dialogues folder dot picker. There we use the condition if less than 1, then you see this folder selects equal to fd dot select. Then after they paste this range E3 range means this range E13, and the second part is automatically add in E14. I click here the icons and I assign the macros. This is for the PDF, this is for Excel, but those micro code is the same, just change the ranges. I just remove and I will show you the below code. Now see they have E14 and that one is E13. Understand the conversion code. First I use application.screen updating false, application.display status bar true. That's mean we can stop the screen updating in the backend once our code running. And here we showing the display the progress bar. Here I create the variables rim sh as worksheet and I assign the sheet 1. In your case you have a sheet name difference, then you can change the sheet name. Here I assign again the variables. This all is the variables. And here I just select the folders the getting from E30 because we have a file inside this folder E13. Here I use the loop for each folder into file. In this folder we need to loop all of the files, and here VBA do events and they n equal to n plus 1. Here I create the integer and the plus 1 mean they automatically doing the loops, and they showing this is application.status bar. They're showing the file counting in your status bar. Set wp equal to workbook.open. They open the workbook. This code is export your workbook. This is the workbook path they capture from these variables. Then they automatically export to PDF format. If you want to change this names or this type of the thing, you can change this line. After if you want to show the publish, you can just add the publish code. See here, once PDF is created, workbook is closed, and next mean they start and they pick your next file and they do this thing. Then application.status bar is equal to blank after message box processing complete. Here you can, after the end, here you can add the equal to true. After this complete the processing, application.screen updating equal to true. I upload this file into my website and I paste the link into my video description. You can easily download from the practice file from my website. And do you have any question, you can comments me. Thank you.